How to fix something went wrong on Facebook. Hey, everyone. Welcome back. Are you seeing the frustrating something went wrong error on Facebook? Don't worry. In today's tutorial, I'll walk you through several methods to fix this issue quickly. Let's dive right in. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the problem resolves. Also, try restarting your router if you're on Wi-Fi. Go to your phone settings, then select Apps. Find Facebook, tap on it and go to Storage. Now, tap Clear Cache. This removes temporary files that might be causing the error. Make sure your Facebook app is up to date. Open the Google Play Store, search for Facebook, and tap Update if there's an update available. Sometimes, the issue is with Facebook servers. Visit a site like downdetector.com or search Facebook server status on Google to see if there's a widespread outage. If none of the previous steps work, try uninstalling and reinstalling the Facebook app. This ensures a fresh installation without any corrupted files. As a last resort, open Facebook on your browser instead of the app. Just go to www.facebook.com using Chrome or any other browser. And that's it. Hopefully, one of these methods fixed the something went wrong error for you. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech solutions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.